Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the coal market. So trading stop that we discussed yesterday now stands in place, and you can see that situation very similar to euro currency. If euro currency is still on the way to the resistance area that we have specified, 108.10 level approximately, coal market mostly is calling around. So you could see that mostly everything is prepared for starting of the bread and butter trade, but we just missed one important detail: the reversal price action on the lower time frame, because in general you can see it's nicely looking pullback one to the third close above the 3x3 market near the resistance 30% 1987, and take a look at retesting the previous losses, additional resistance from the natural area. So a really great background for possibly taking the short position. It's more or less positive payrolls that we could get today easily could push price slightly lower on the background of the expectation of the Fed activity on the rate rising. So it's easily could complete bread and butter even today. So we will see. On the lower time frame, let's take a look. Things that we discussed yesterday as well. Let's take a look. It's about the grabbers that have been formed here. Was led market to reach the neckline, and in general you can see that hand shoulders that we discussed now stands on the way. Market is calling around the neckline, so potentially if we're right on a hand shoulder shape, somewhere from this point market should start forming on the right arm. And as I said yesterday, the right arm particularly could become the bread and butter trade, because 618 support is the minimum target of the bread and butter trade, and on a daily it could look like the bread and butter. On the 4 time frame chart it will look like head and shoulders, but in general it will be the same price action. So that's what we intend to watch. But first, before taking short position, where here actually few approaches exist, so you could theoretically trying to anticipate taking just short position just because market is calling around the neckline, and sooner or later probably it will start with the placing stop right above this area and see what will happen. It's a bit risky on the eve of the payrolls report, but if you are not sure that you could catch the moment correctly or monitoring the reversal patterns, theoretically you could act in this way, but as I said, it's a bit more risky approach because you do not wait the market reaction. You just take the position near the supposed levels where the theoretically market could start this action. If you would like to follow some fine-tuning of this trade, so you could drop your time frame to the hourly charts, take a look. The market is completed OP near the neckline is 1980. If you will build some OPs from these BC legs, this one or that one, you will see that OP stands around 1988. So just here's additional minor OP targets exist. So you can see slightly above the market. Here's also slightly above the market, but all of them stands in an area of the 1980, 1987. This OP is precisely matching to the fib level. And here we need just to watch for some reaction and appearing here of some reversal pattern. Unfortunately, we can't get the butterfly here, although it logically suggested. Let's just take a look. 1618 precisely stands at this level, because this stop slightly greater than this one. So it can't be the wing of the butterfly, but maybe market here will form another one, smaller butterfly. It's also possible. Maybe it will be some hand shoulders where the spike up to this area and then drop. I don't know, maybe some additional patterns will be formed, but preferably is to wait for reaction and wait for some clear bearish reversal pattern before taking position with the bread and butter trade. So, well, it will be just safer. But that is actually the major object that we intend to keep an eye on today, and let's see how it will turn on the background of the payrolls report.